Here at home, we wrapped up the final day of 2021 with some sunshine. This was the scene this afternoon over the Seattle waterfront, and really anytime the mountain is out, it is a gorgeous day. Rebecca, question is, as we go into this new year, will this weather stick around?
The cold initially, yes, it will stick around, but then it'll quickly be scoured out by the end of the weekend. I mean, we're going to start the new year out chilly and dry at least. I mean, that's a nice start, right? The mountain being out today was pretty spectacular. Excuse me. Now looking at Stevens Pass, I just want to take a minute to look at these beautiful winter pictures we have. All the Northwest has been so gorgeous to look at in the snow. Not the greatest to travel in, but if you could just take a step away and enjoy, wow, the very tip of Mount Pilchuck. It peeked out tonight to say good night, and we'll see you in the new year. Granite Falls coated in all the snow. So pretty with the light starting to come on and the sun going down. Now, SchoolNet station for Auburn High School in Auburn, the mountain was out and the clouds have been rolling in. Downtown to the Seattle waterfront, we have clear skies, 25 degrees. Already it's 25 degrees and the sun is just going down. Now, winds are out of the north, fairly light at about 8 miles an hour, and we're going to get very cold tonight. So we're just getting rolling with the cold highs today in the 20s for most of us. We had 32 degrees right now for Aberdeen, 30 in Tacoma, 27 at Camino Island. Gold Bar sitting right at 25 degrees as well. Light northerly winds, if not just calm winds. We'll expect the wind to pick up a little bit closer to midnight, 10 to 15, and we're going to see that mainly out of the southeast. So we're looking at a very chilly night ahead. High pressure's in control. It's keeping us dry, and we're basically watching a frontal system that will be moving in as we get later into Saturday night, Sunday morning. We're going to see most of us warm up quite a bit with a very warm wind, and boy, it's going to pack some wind too. Expect your Saturday to have increasing clouds, but Sunday will be a very windy, rainy day. Already a high wind watch out for the coast and the north interior, expecting wind gusts up to 55 miles an hour. The south coast, you have a coastal flood advisory to be aware of on your Sunday. Right around noon is the high tide for some tidal overflow, and a winter storm watch for the Olympics and the Cascades. We're going to be talking about feet of snow coming down, snow level around 2,000 feet. So travel as you get into your Sunday into Monday. That is going to be extremely difficult for the mountains, but hey, start the new year with some new snow in the mountains. That's always good here in the Pacific Northwest. Overnight tonight, we're going to drop down into the teens and 20s. 17 degrees for Seattle. 18 degrees for Bremerton. Tacoma, you are going to be 15 degrees in the morning hours. Also 15 degrees is Bellingham. Yeah, this is some really cold weather we're talking about, but with the clouds increasing, it'll take a little bit to get the temperatures back into the mid-30s, but we're going to end up right around the mid, some upper 30s for high temperatures tomorrow. A little sun early, but the clouds will be rolling in, and we're going to see that chance of some rain late tomorrow night in the north coast. Most of us are going to have to wait until our Sunday to get the wind and the rain scouring out the cold, putting our temperatures, lows and highs back above the freezing mark, and then we're going to have some cool air still filtering in, and that'll happen on Monday, Tuesday, and we're going to see a risk of some snow mixing with the rain and some of these showers, but largely we're looking for a drier break on Wednesday, and then we'll get back to some wind, clouds, and rain on Thursday and Friday.